A surprising error from a camera retailer has sparked major attention in the photography world after early information about the Fujifilm X-T6 briefly appeared online. A full product page reportedly went live on a Vietnam-based camera store website before being taken down, but not before details were noticed and shared widely. According to what was listed, the Fujifilm X-T6 could bring significant upgrades in sensor technology, video performance, and overall design direction. What makes the situation even more interesting is that a newly registered Fujifilm camera model number has also surfaced recently, and many believe it may be connected to the Fujifilm X-T6, suggesting that development is already well underway. Unlike typical rumor cycles that start with vague speculation, the Fujifilm X-T6 leak appears unusually detailed. The retailer listing reportedly included full specifications covering imaging hardware, processing power, video features, and even display design. While none of this has been officially confirmed by Fujifilm, the depth of the information has made it difficult for enthusiasts to ignore. Combined with the registration data, it has created a strong belief that the Fujifilm X-T6 is not just an idea anymore, but a camera that may be approaching the final stages of development. At the heart of the leaked specifications is a 40-megapixel APS-C X-trans sensor, paired with a next-generation image processor. While the resolution itself appears similar to the previous generation, the real focus of the Fujifilm X-T6 seems to be performance rather than pixel count. The new processor is expected to significantly improve speed, autofocus response, and overall system efficiency. This is important because one of the key criticisms of earlier models was not image quality, but how the system handled demanding workloads such as fast continuous shooting and advanced video recording. One of the most eye-catching rumored features of the Fujifilm X-T6 is a 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. This technology would allow the camera to capture multiple frames with slight sensor movements and combine them into a single ultra-high-resolution image. While this feature would not be used in everyday shooting, it could be extremely valuable for professional applications such as landscape photography, product imaging, and studio work where extreme detail is required. If accurate, this would give the Fujifilm X-T6 capabilities that compete with much larger and more expensive systems in certain scenarios. Video performance is another major talking point. The Fujifilm X-T6 is rumored to support 8K recording, which would mark a major step forward for the X-T series. Traditionally, Fujifilm has been careful about placing higher-end video features in its product lineup, often reserving them for more cinema-focused models. Because of this, the possibility of 8K in the Fujifilm X-T6 has sparked debate. Some believe Fujifilm is shifting toward a more hybrid-focused strategy, while others think 8K may be limited or controlled to avoid overlapping with higher-tier products. Battery performance is also expected to improve. According to the leaked listing, the Fujifilm X-T6 could deliver around 750 shots per charge, which would be a noticeable upgrade over its predecessor. While not the most exciting specification on paper, improved battery life is one of the most important real-world benefits for photographers, especially those working in events, travel, or long shooting sessions where charging is not always possible. Connectivity and workflow improvements are also part of the rumored package. The Fujifilm X-T6 is expected to include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and USB-C with faster transfer speeds and charging support. These updates may not be revolutionary, but they reflect the modern expectations of professional hybrid cameras. Standard features like microphone input and micro HDMI output are also expected to remain, ensuring compatibility with existing production workflows. However, The most controversial aspect of the leak is the screen design. The Fujifilm X-T6 is rumored to move away from the traditional three-way tilt screen used in previous X-T models and instead adopt a fully articulating flip-out display. This potential change has created a clear divide within the Fujifilm community. Many longtime users appreciate the simplicity and photography-focused design of the tilt screen, which preserves the classic feel of the X-T series. For them, it is part of what makes the camera unique. On the other hand, supporters of the change argue that modern photography has become increasingly hybrid. Video content, social media creation, and vlogging are now a major part of the camera market. From this perspective, a fully articulating screen would make the Fujifilm X-T6 far more versatile and appealing to a wider audience. It would also improve usability for video shooters who rely on flexible framing angles. This disagreement has turned the screen design into one of the most debated aspects of the Fujifilm X-T6 rumors. Adding further credibility to the discussion is the recent appearance of a registered Fujifilm camera model number. In the industry, such registrations usually occur shortly before official announcements, often within a few months. While this does not confirm any specific product, it strongly suggests that Fujifilm is actively preparing something new. Many observers believe this registration could be linked directly to the Fujifilm X-T6, especially when combined with the retailer leak. Based on current speculation, the Fujifilm X-T6 may be announced in late 2026, with some pointing toward a possible September reveal window. If that timeline proves accurate, shipping could follow shortly after, potentially before the end of the year. However, as with all early-stage leaks, there is still a high level of uncertainty, and Fujifilm has not officially confirmed any schedule. Pricing expectations place the Fujifilm X-T6 in the premium APS-C category, with early estimates around $3,000. This would position it as a high-end enthusiast and semi-professional camera, competing with advanced hybrid systems from other manufacturers. Whether that price is justified will depend heavily on final performance, particularly in autofocus reliability, video quality, and real-world usability. In the end, the Fujifilm X-T6 remains unconfirmed but highly anticipated. Whether it arrives exactly as rumored or in a different form, it is clear that expectations are high, and the next chapter of Fujifilm's X-T series is already one of the most closely watched developments in the camera world.